everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome to another episode of You Bought It, Now Use It. So, with putting away some things yesterday, I told my sister, I said, you know what? I saw someone do a card on YouTube. I think it was Card and Coffee Time. And it just made me think of this card kit. I picked this up at Tuesday morning a long time ago. It was $2.47. You get 6 envelopes, 6 cards, and 18 embellishments. And the embellishments consist of the 6 trees, the 6 stars, and the 6 merry and bright little word things, word embellishments, which I'm not going to use. But every Christmas, I would take it out and go, what am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with this? So I had a great idea because I bought it, so now I have to use it. So I have these from Michaels. These were Christmas vellum pad, 12 designs. It was $5.99, and it worked perfect to layer on top of this card to calm it down because that wood grain is just too much, right? Too much. So what I did was use some vellum and hid it behind some of the darker images on the vellum so you don't see it. So I thought, okay, that's a start. So let me show you how it turns out. I can get this one here that I did. It just makes it look a lot nicer, I think. So you have to kind of fluff up the tree because the tree comes flat, right? Totally flat. So I just took a tool, which is somewhere here, probably looking right at me. I just took this thing here and kind of layered it underneath the tree and then bent it up like that. Tried not to bend the tips of the tree, but that's okay. Right, so I kind of did that on both sides just to really give it some dimension. And then kind of once you do that, you can almost grab it and then just crawl up the center of it just to, again, give this some dimension. It doesn't need to be flat like that. On the back, it has some tape, a strip of tape that will go down on the vellum. So I've fluffed this one up, as you can see, put the star, and then these are some Christmas foil stickers that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and basically I just stuck it onto a piece of white heavy-duty cardstock, cut around it. I made a ticket design. Now this was the first one I made, and I didn't put a stump on the tree. So I kind of thought, oh my gosh, go back. Well, the next one I did. The next one I did put a stump on the tree. And basically I just took a brown Stampin' Up marker and yeah, just use this here and just kind of put a stump on the tree. So I definitely think now it's a card which I don't mind making and sharing. So I used 2 kind of vellums. You can see here, this one has a lot of gold in it. This one has lots of white in it. And then my next one I'm going to do is this one here. And I've already glued down the foil sticker to this piece of cardstock. This is the pack here. It was $2.99, called Christmas Subway Art Foil Stickers. You get 19 of them. So let me just put this back in here. It's really, really hot today, you guys. I had to just turn the fan off so it wouldn't be so loud when I'm talking. But I'm managing. In terms of those stickers, these little to-dos, I basically am putting them on the envelope. That's it. I don't want to not use them. So I think it'll make a really pretty card. These are, again, ones that I'm going to be selling at my craft fair. So let's get this tree down. First thing I want to do is get the star. It comes with a little adhesive on the back, and once you take this off, there's no sticky to it. So I'm putting a little hot glue on it, just a little, and I want to put it a little further down from the tip of the tree. I'm just going to press that down. And then I'm going to peel off the back. Where is my little... Gosh, I can't find nothing in this room. Nothing. Okay, let's just use this. Peel the tape off. Okay. Now, from the ones that I've made, I've learned to put the tree a little higher, because this here is going to take up the bottom and I still want to see a stump. So, sorry about this. So I think right there is about good, and making sure it's straight. Okay, and then this piece here, I'm just going to play around and cut it, and hopefully that it is straight. I kept thinking, how can I get these foils on here? And this seemed to be the better way. Okay. Then I'm just going to cut a little, although that does look good with that roundness, but I think I'm going to keep them like a ticket. So I'm going to just cut a smidge off of here and a smidge off of here. I've been in a craft room, you guys, finishing up. I made my 4th set of Christmas tags for that order I have. So now I have 40. And what else did I do yesterday? I finished that up, and then I made some boxes. I haven't decorated them yet because I did go to Hobby Lobby and find the red ribbon that I was looking for. So now I'm going to find, gosh, where does stuff go? Okay, here we go. I want to kind of use this punch. This is like a ticket punch. So it'll look like that there. Just kind of something different. So we'll line this up on this side. And click, there we go. And put this on this side. Like I said, I can tell you, I've had this card pack for a long time, and every year I pull it out going, ugh, it's just so big. It's like 5.25 by 7.5. That's a big card. And then it's just so plain when you don't cover that background. It's just too much of the brown. Okay, get this. The foil is causing it to stick. Okay, and then the next one here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I need to draw a stump. So I'm just taking this marker on the brush side that's a little thicker, and I'm just going to guesstimate on how wide it should be, how long it should be. I really want it to look like a tree stump. So I thought about looking for a piece of brown, and I thought, no, just go for it. There we go. And then when I add this on here, you can still see that there is a stump on that tree. So let's go ahead and get some tape. So a lot of you commented that you still use your ATG gun. You know, I'm not going to give up on her yet. It was all the rage back in the years, but like I said, it's a dinosaur now. It's just like all in the way on the table. It's so damn big. Okay. I want to cut some more of this part off. I'm sorry, you guys. Right up to the edge of the sticker. think I'm going to cut that off. And then the other side as well. Better. Okay, so let's go ahead and lay her down. Let me just, there we go. Okay, you rest there for a second. So let's do this envelope. So I'm happy now to use these. I just could not. Oh, goodness. I just could not before. I just didn't know what to do. Something needed to be done, and that was the answer. Cover up that brown. And just put this here. I didn't know where to put this, but I thought if the person mails it, they'll need this spot, that for the stamp, and then their address. So right there on the corner is fine. So now I think this is a card that is worth people possibly wanting to purchase. It's a large card, right? So it's going to cost them a little bit to mail it. It's probably going to cost $5, or they may not. They may just want to gift it, give it to someone with a gift. There we go. So I appreciate you sticking with me through this episode of You Bought It, Now Use It. Again, this is American Craft DIY card kit using the Christmas Subway Art Foil stickers and the Recollections Christmas Vellum. Those three things. So, thank you again for watching. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Bye for now.